Hi, I'm Ollie from Electra-Zoom. Today we've got a real beast of a scooter, the Wolf Warrior 11. Using the 5mm on the multi-tool, loosen these off to put the handlebars on. Then lift the handlebars up, just make sure they line up as planned. And where the grooves are, they just sit in the middle there. It's firm, but once it's pressed down, it's in place. Make sure this red knob is twisted down, just stop it coming unfolded while you're riding. And there's this extra pin that goes in the top, just as a backup. Now you've got it fully assembled, first thing to do is turn it on with the power button, just a long press there. Display screen lights up there, you can see we've got a few things on there, sort of speed, battery percentage. There's a load of different other modes we can scroll through, giving you information such as trip info, total mileage, etc. Next, we want to check the brakes. This scooter's got hydraulic brakes, front and rear. Just want to give these a good squeeze, just to make sure they're working and grabbing the disc as they should. On the left hand side, we've got our lights. So press those once, they light up. Further press, that's a slightly dimmer setting. And then again, we've got a flash. Just below that, we've got the horn as well. Pretty loud on this scooter. And then on the right hand side, we've got a few things, such as an eco turbo mode. Eco mode obviously slows the scooter down, but increases the range. Turbo mode gives you the maximum performance. And then below that, a single and dual. This scooter being a dual motor scooter, the front wheel can be turned on or off. So in single motor mode, you've just got the rear wheel being driven. Dual motor, you've got both. Both have power being delivered to. While we've got it up in the air on the stand, we can test the motors are spinning properly and the brakes. The Kaabo Wolf Warrior is a go-anywhere electric scooter with off-road tyres as standard and dual 1200 watt motors. It's capable of climbing any hill. That, coupled with its 50 mile an hour top speed and 80 mile range, really means you can go anywhere.